What's up, guys? We are here with my brand new Audi R8 RWS, and we're going to be doing a shoot. Just kidding. We're actually here. This is the owner of Advanced Industries. We are out shooting his car for the day. Mr. Cam Sahab. You can follow him on Instagram, TikTok, I don't really know, but follow Advanced, follow Cam. All of the links will be in the description below. Now, this placement here isn't anything too special. I've got this side of the car here in the shadow. The other side here is lit up by the sun. Now, this is a Miami blue R8, so it's already pretty damn cool, but we're gonna make it look even cooler. We've got the 24-105 on the camera, we've got the variable ND, and we've also got the RS4 gimbal here. Just gonna give it a quick check, make sure that we're balanced. Okay, now if you don't know, on your axes, you should be able to spin, and it should hold its position like so. That's how you properly balance this thing, and it took me forever to figure it out because I was straining this motor specifically, the tilt, really bad when I would do top-down shots or low shots, and it's because it was improperly balanced right here. So when you get it like that, boom, there you go. So, and the same thing with this rotation axis as well. You should be able to do this and this with it, and it shouldn't fall either way. It should kind of hold its position there in the center. Perfectly balanced gimbal. We're ready to start shooting some clips for the reel, so we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go ahead and move it now. We're gonna flip the car around and we're gonna keep roughly the same angle. The sun is starting to go down a little bit more, so the sunlight is getting a lot softer. So we'll be able to work with some more directional lighting, I guess, a little bit easier. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it around and keep going. We've also got all of these nice carbon bits all over the car, so we're going to be putting a lot of focus on those details as well, not just the car as a whole. So we just repositioned the car here. We're taking advantage of this softer light that we have before we head up that way towards those electrical lines. But we've got some real nice soft light right now, and the scene is like perfect. We got the wheel angled just a hair, not too crazy, and this is going to be our angle right here. I mean, you can just tell looking from here that these pictures are going to be fucking awesome. Man, just look at that. I mean, so right now we're just working with the car. Nothing too crazy because, I mean, the sunlight is still pretty harsh, but we're getting a lot of the details that we missed. So, like, we're getting a lot of the wheel stuff, which actually... check this out. Here we go, boom. Beautiful. Got a little bit of a flare going on. Yeah. Kind of just taking care of everything that I can think of now before we move over to the final spot down there. And that's where we're gonna finish off some of the clips for a reel. Finish off the photos, obviously. God, that sun is just so perfect. All right, guys, we just wrapped up the shoot with Cam's Miami Blue R8. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know. We've got this beautiful sunset here. Unfortunately, we didn't get any clouds, but that's just the standard, like, Colorado thing. I might wait a little bit longer for the sun to drop, just a little bit more, but I figure I'm gonna close out the video now. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. There's one final look at the car. Again, go follow Advanced Industries and Cam Sahab. Links will be in the description below. Guys, this has been Nick. I will see you all in the next video.